At times, we complain about a particular brand of car suspension or gear problems.
This is definitely because you're not aware, or maybe you don't pay attention to the sound coming from your engine, and this will always keep you stranded on the road.
Inexperienced mechanics blame it on the manufacturers of the brand that usually come with this gear and suspension problems.
Ball joints get worn out due to potholes or bad roads. So what do? Replace it at regular intervals of 3, 4 to 5 months, depending on your operational areas.
Some even replace transmission oil and driving shaft while it's still hot.
This whole idea can damage your gearbox.
I am Ilda Shaiba. Welcome to another exciting episode of Auto Experts. As always, we are loaded. Do not touch that dial. Coming up on the program is Auto News, DIY, how to check manufacture dates on your tires, Auto Expert with celebrity Pero He, Auto Guide with Engineer Patrick, and Insurance Today. Enjoy the rest of the program.
Do you know tires expires? Yes, it does. My name is Popsin Jeff, and I'll be showing you how to check an expired tire all by yourself right on this segment of Do It Yourself. Every product has its manufacture date, which means it can expire at any point in time. So let's check this tire to know whether or not it has expired. Now we have 3916. Every tire is supposed to last for the maximum of 4 years. So if you count from 2016 to the current year and you still have some grace to use your tire, it means your tire has not expired. But take for example, if your tire says 3914 and you count down 4 years to the current year, it means the tire has expired in 4 years. Let me tell you the risks of driving on expired tires. 1. Road safety officials might arrest you. 2. That tire can burst at any point in time without you knowing. I still remain Popsin Jeff. I hope you can now check the manufacture date of your tire all by yourself so as to know if your tire has expired. And I must say, thank you for watching Do It Yourself. Welcome to Auto Guide, where we'll give you information about your vehicle, knowing the right engine oil, spare parts, and general car maintenance. Last time on Auto Guide, Latifat Ajao shared with us the major components female drivers must check in their car, whether brand new or a used one. Today, Engineer Patrick sheds more light, giving tips on what female drivers should practice concerning the right oil specification to be used after the routine checks and many more, so as to ensure long-lasting engine performance. Let's hear more from Engineer Patrick.
The engine oil is supposed to be a coolant to your vehicle engine, and if it's not calming it down, you will end up paying money. You will end up spending a lot of money to fix your car. So we are also on the oil again, and we enjoin other importers to bring their oil for verification so that everybody knows which oil is suitable for your car. The last edition where we talked about adding oil, we've gone around with the oil. We also did say we certified the oil because their partners also came from Germany, and we had a series of questions brainstorming that these oils they are bringing, how fit is it for our Nigerian weather? We are supposed to check that the oil that we are going to use is suitable for the cars that they use in America. Don't say it does not matter, it matters. If not, we will not be changing. You can see in front of me different sizes of engines. If your car says use a particular oil, don't say they have been using it before. and so it will work. It will work, yes, but in the long run, it will destroy your engine. We're having problem with Nigerian used vehicles because of the way it turns out to be. It's a disaster. It is the beginning is just the oil. If you use the wrong oil, it will destroy your engine. And then you get peanuts. Everybody blame all these online car dealers, say they are buying cars for cheap. Who will invest money and buy a car that is not well maintained? Is using their own oil that is not suitable for the car. We enjoin you once again, if you can't find the right oil for your vehicle, call the numbers on your screen. We are also there. We'll be able to advise you which oil you are going to use for your car. Our primary concern is that your vehicle is in good order, your vehicle lasts for long, and then you don't have any issue with it. For anything that the manufacturer states, don't bypass it. Follow the manufacturer's recommendation and use the right oil. All the oils my colleague showed you, if your car is a Toyota, it says use .3. If your car is a Range Rover, it says use .4. So don't say any brake oil is brake oil. Every car has its own different specification. So if they say use the power steering, there are some very expensive power steering. Every car does not use the same power steering. So the power steering you are supposed to use must correspond to the one that is stated on your car. We have most problems where we see Toyota, as common as it is, the ABS, especially for their Jeep, is very expensive, 800,000, 750. Most of the time it fails because of the wrong brake oil that you use. There are those green brake oil fluid, you just see type 3, or those ancient ones that have been with us, you see them and you think they have been with us and it's suitable, it's .3, it is not working. And if you have a Mercedes, try and use the right oil. Mercedes use from 2001, they use .4 plus. Any oil you see that is not .4 plus, don't use it for any Mercedes. If not, you destroy the BAS, ESP, and ABS system, and you will now end up without an effective braking system.
That was Auto Guide with Engineer Patrick. Please do not forget, there are certain parts of a car that you must pay attention to on a daily basis. Use the right oil for long-lasting engine performance.
If you embark on a long trip, it's advisable you service your vehicle 2 weeks or a week before. Why? There could be oil leakage somewhere, probably loose filter or not well tightened.
Check your tires. Remember to do that? Right after alphabet DOT written on your tire, you'll find 4 digits. The first 2 marks the week and the last 2 marks the year. For example, if you have 3916, it means 39th week of 2016. That's the date your tire was manufactured.
Have the necessary peripherals in your car. Do not overspeed. Call us for your oil specification. Order your boosters and cleansers today. We have come to the end of today's episode. I remain your host, Ilda Shaibo.
And I am Popsin Jeff.
Keep watching Auto Experts.
It's your guide to safety.
And remember, it's not the man who drives fast, it's the man who arrives safely. Always drive with total attention. Have a lovely week.